So this is the glass jar that I want to cut a hole in the bottom for the lights to go through. So I'm just going to use some glass cut and drill bits. So I'm just using a 4mm bit for that. And just to make it a little bit easier to go through, I'm just going to put a little bit of cutting oil on where I'm going to drill the hole. And then let's cut that. And there we have the hole in the bottom of the glass. This is the bottle that I've cut the hole into. This is a base that I've 3D printed out. So I've still got to remove all the support material. It's the cutout for the battery box. So I'll just pull all that out. So I'll sort the rest of that out in just a minute. And the bottle will just fit in like that with space for the battery box underneath. And we'll just check the battery box fits. Sweet. So that'll just be hidden underneath. And we'll give the ability to turn the lights on and off. And I guess the only thing I forgot is I'll need to have a hole drilled here for the wire to come up through. So the other thing was that when I was cleaning the bottle out, it just cracked along there. So I think I was using some hot water to do it, and it touched a cold piece of metal on the draining rack and it just split. So watch out, maybe don't use hot water to clean it out. So next thing I've done is I've just marked through the hole in the bottom there, and then I'm going to drill through for a place for the lights to come through. What we're going to do is feed the light through. Do you think you could feed it through the hole? So push it through. Just pull it all the way through. Now we've got to fix.
Can I do it?
Where does this go? So that's the lid. You've got to make sure it's stuck on.
Where does this go?
Well, that's for putting the lights in. So if we put that layer like that and we glue that in, okay?
Now it's unblocked so we can do it.
It's coming.
Can it be on fast?
No, because it'll come out really fast. It's nearly there though.
That was hard.
Right, so can you pull the wire again? Or Daddy pull the wire and you can try and put this in.
I'll put it in.
Squeeze! There we go. So, that'll do.
So you want to make sure it's cured.
Where did you learn the word cured?
I did always have in my mind.
Wow, that's the right word too. Cured.
Be careful with glass.
Right. Keep on pushing it in.
If you wonder what the glow things are, they are light. How did you get a hole in here?
I used a drill bit. So next what we're going to do is glue the glass jar into here. So put some more silicone. Okay, let's see what we can do. Let's push that wire up inside, turn it around to line up the hole. I'll do this bit so you don't get your fingers all messy.
So what's the next thing that we're going to do?
We need to organise the lights and push them to where we think they need to go. Push.
Can I? Want to do
So you do that to push the lights down a bit.
Is there glass at the bottom? I want to do it. What do you think?
I think it looks lovely.
I mean,
And maybe you want to make sure we've got a light up in the top section.
I could do that.
And then, do you want to turn it on? We'll see what it looks like. Isn't that pretty? And if any of the silicone comes through the little hole, you can just use a spoon to try and get that off. So before sticking things onto the base, we don't want to use hot melt glue on the 3D printed parts because it has a tendency just to melt that. So what I've got is some glue dots, and we'll just space these out evenly, and that makes it easier for young kids to push them on anyway. So you're going to start on the first one, so put it right in the middle of the dot.
I know where the dots are.
The centre of the flowers in the middle of the dot.
Really cool.
Oh, that looks super duper, that does, doesn't it? Then he's going to put some hot melt glue on the back of here, okay? I'll try not to put too much near the plastic. Which one do you want on the bottom?
Pink.
How's that looking?
Good.
So Daddy put some hot melt glue up here. So the glue on the top of here then. Just put another bit of glue up here, will we, to finish this bit off. Right, so you can do this bit. We'll try putting glue dots on to see how well they stick to the glass. Don't seem to be sticking very well. And that's the finished article. Isn't it so pretty? Cheerio.